Hi everyone. Now we will go on with the next topic on complements, which is just a method for simplifying addition or subtraction and any logical operations. For logical manipulation simplification, we use complements number system. There are two types of complement number system: r's complement and r minus 1's complement. Okay. For example, what is this r? R is nothing but radix. Here we will look into, I will explain you with decimal number system and with binary number system how we perform with the r and r's complement. For decimal number system, the r's complement is 10's complement, because you know that the base for decimal is 10. You have 10 numbers, so the base is 10, and the r minus 1's complement is 9's complement. Same way for binary, you have just two numbers 0 and 1, so the base is 2. So this r's complement is 2's complement for binary and 1's complement for r minus 1's complement. In this video I will explain you just with the decimal number system, and for the binary number system we will move on to the next video. First we will look into what is 10's complement, that is r's complement for decimal number system. R's complement for decimal number system. This can be obtained just by a simple formula, r power small n minus capital N, which means you know that r is radix, n is the capital N is the number what you want to find the 10's complement for, and n is the number of digits in the number of digits. Okay, for example, if we say 52520, here you can see this is a decimal number system, so we give the value of r as 10 because the base is 10. The given number is 52520. Number of digits in this is 1 2 3 4 5. So you can find the 10's complement for 52520 as 10 power 5 minus 52520, because you know that this is the formula r power n. R is 10, power n is 5 minus the given number. Okay, 10 power 5 means you know that we will just add this number minus 52520. When you subtract in a normal subtraction, you will get the value to be 47480. Okay, this is how we will do the 10's complement for decimal number system. We just use this formula and we substitute the values and find the value for 10's complement of the given decimal system. Okay, now we will see how to calculate the 9's complement of the same number 52520. You have to find the 9's complement. So how you will find this? Here also you have the same formula. When you say it is 9's complement, you say it is 10's complement minus 1. Okay, so the same formula for 10's complement is r power n minus 1 minus n. This will be your formula for calculation with 9's complement, r minus n minus 1 minus n. So you know already r is radix, n is the number of digits in the given number capital N, n is the given number. So the given number now is 52520, r is equal to 9. Actually it is your from the tens complement you are calculating. So this is 10 minus 1, 9's complement. Okay, 9's complement. So we have here r as 10, 5 is number of digits, no, sorry, small n is number of digits 5, and now we will have the substitution in the formula 10 power 5 minus 1 minus the given number. So this is nothing but 1 0 0 0 0 0. You have 5 zeros minus 1 minus 5 2 5 2 0. So you will have here minus 5 2 5 2 0. On subtraction, normal subtraction, you will get 4 7 4 7 9. Okay. This, to simplify, I will give you two tips how to calculate the 9's complement. 9's complement is nothing but 10's complement minus 1. Okay. And another method how you can just do is, instead of going on into these formulas, you can just have this as a constant value. If you have 5 digits here, make it as 9 5's, 5 9's. So each digit you have to subtract from 9. So whatever is the given number, just subtract it from 9 and get the final value. So these are the two ways. Just subtract each number by 9, each digit from 9. So these are the two ways how you can find the 9's complement from 10's complement. So in your next video you will be seeing how to calculate the 2's complement and 1's complement of binary number system. Bye.